Right, so there's the floor swept out. It's got the worst of it off. I've been undoing the body mounting bolts as I go. One under there. But even this bit's not too rusty. I'm really impressed because like the floors are usually really quite bad in the back here. I don't know whether it's because the roof leaks from above, but I don't think that's too bad. The rest of it looks immaculate, really. I'll let Emma come and clean the rest up. She likes doing a bit of cleaning. Yeah, I don't know whether we'll try and get some bed liner or something like that to chuck down on it. I don't think I'll be putting carpets back in it. Purely because they get shitted up and wet. And then they smell. But there you go. So let's take the back seats out now and clean the back out. Right, so I've removed pretty well all the body mounting bolts. There's always one stubborn one, so I'm going to cut that fucker out. Nearly came out, but the span on the bottom slipped and rounded the nut off tip. But it's fucking buzzed off. Beautiful. Right, now apart from things like fuel filler and that, the body should be loose. Of course we've still got to take everything off the front wings in the front, but awesome. Stripping the front down, and I think this might be why we're having some starting issues with this one. I don't know what we've got there. But I'll take the tape off and we'll have a look. Well, it looks like it's going to be a nice easy fix. It's just somebody's extended the cable for whatever reason, different side battery or something. Right, so now we just got to unbolt everything that's attached to the body, drop the steering column of that UJ down there. Yeah, I'll save you the gory details. I'll speak to you in a bit. Stones and fucking overlays. Holy fuck. Right, so piece by piece we're getting there. Not going to be much left in a minute. The body does move a little bit. It's just a few flexible hoses and stuff at the back now, little back lights, stuff like that. Then we can lift the body off. Awesome. So we're lifting the back body with a car jack and a screwdriver, like you do. You can see that. I'm trying to get high enough so we can just roll it out in theory, but we'll see. Way more yet. Trouble is, a moment. A bit more to go. Surface there. On the bar. Can you pass me that green screwdriver? Thank you. How's the chassis going to come back up at that one just? I've got enough room to clear the wheels. Not too bad. Getting her out. Handbrake cables, a few wires, both sides. Fuel pipes there. Fuel filler's already come off. Well, I don't know what a tank's like. Not too bad actually. Awesome.